Welcome to Smart Money, where we answer your money questions with the same unfiltered approach you have come to expect from us. Credit card interest rates are on the verge of dropping. So, what does that mean for your wallet? Are you reconsidering your financial habits? Maybe even thinking your saving strategy? Or should you prioritize paying off any debts? Interest rates don't affect only how you buy, they also affect how you save. Our amazing partners at the Neighbors Federal Credit Union are here to answer all your money questions.
When it comes to interest rates, understand how an interest rate really impacts your wallet. For people with credit card debt, a lower rate means that the cost of borrowing that money is lower. Paying it back means that more of your money or your dollars are going to go toward that principal balance, how much you actually borrowed versus the interest. If you're buying a car, if you need to do a loan, hopefully those rates will come back. I thank God every day I don't need to get a new car because I wouldn't be able to sleep at night doing 7 and 8% when I know it wasn't that long ago that it was 2 and 3%. So if you can wait for these rates to drop and you need to make a major purchase, then I would sit and wait just a little bit longer because it will impact how much your note is, how much interest you're paying back overall. They're probably going to drop at a slow pace. And so just be patient. Think about, is it a need or is it a want? Is it something that you can put off 6 months or a year? If so, wait. But if you need to do it now, hey, at the first sign of those rates dropping, make that purchase. Now that the rates are going to drop, or once they drop, right, more of your dollars are going to go toward that balance. And so if you're trying to get out of debt, this is good news for you because, before, if $10 of your payment was going toward interest, maybe now it's only going to be $8 or $7. You can capitalize on that because that's going to eat away at that balance a little bit more. I don't like to use the B word, budget. I like to call it a spending plan. And we make plans all the time. Every day we make plans. And so you want to be intentional about making plans for your money. And it can be a little taxing at first, right? But once you get like riding a bike, you're going to fall off. You're going to skin your knee. It's going to hurt sometimes, but you get back on and you keep at it. And eventually, hey, no hands, I can do it. And that's really what happens with taking control of your money. Maybe some little bruises along the way, but once you master that concept, hey, then the sky's the limit in terms of reaching your financial goals. Instead of looking at what you can't do with a budget, look at what you can do. Look at what controlling your finances can open the door to do. Increasing your assets, owning a home, going through college without having to borrow money. It's a can-do mindset that you have to look at, not the negatives, but the positives. And there are so many positives. Stop using the credit cards. That's really the first step, because otherwise it's counterproductive for me to show you how to pay it down and you're on the weekend charging it back up. So really that's the first step to get you to a place where you're not relying and you're not needing to use those credit cards on a consistent basis. Then we look at other products that may offer you better rates. So maybe it's a debt consolidation loan. Maybe it is a balance transfer to a credit card that has a good introductory rate or just a lower rate than what you have on your credit cards. But in the end, you want to make sure that whatever plans that we make for you, and obviously Neighbors is going to ensure that that happens, is going to benefit you on the other side.
For more money saving tips and to see how Neighbors Federal Credit Union can help you get back on track with your finances, visit unfilteredwithkieran.com and learn about Neighbors' blueprint for financial success.
Welcome to a world of convenience with Neighbors Checking. Choose your reward option, cashback, dividends, or ATM refunds. Control your accounts from the palm of your hand with mobile deposits and card controls. Get answers quickly with chat and our virtual assistant, Nate. Plus, with direct deposit, you can say hello to your paycheck up to 3 days early. Neighbors makes checking that easy. Neighbors Federal Credit Union, building relationships that matter.